here we go. Okay, so write these down, buddy. If you don't know the Frustrum formulas, guys, you need to write these two down. These Arjun, these also pop up on the calculator test too. And Arjun, it looks like it's hard at first, right, to get all this, but look at this. You're adding the first area, second area, plus the square root of the product. That's the way I wouldn't try to memorize that as a formula. I would memorize it as area of the circle, the square root of the product. You see what I'm doing there? Arjun, is your mic on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then the other half is looking very much like, this part right here is looking like, 1/3 big BH, right? That's looking a lot like that, which is the volume of a pyramid, right? Because a frustrum is like a part of a pyramid that's gotten cut off, right?
Yeah.
So it's very similar, right? There's the 1/3 H part. This is the B part, yes? So this piece right here is the B part that you're talking about, okay? So it's not hard to, if you memorize it the right way, you still have the 1/3 H from the area of a pyramid, volume of a pyramid, and the B part is this piece right here, yeah? So it's the same formula, it's just a harder version of it. Okay, so let's go back to that problem. Okay, so what is the formula? It's 1/3 H times B1 plus B2 plus the square root of B1 times B2, which is the geometric mean, if you think about it, right? If you know your geometric mean formula, you're taking the geometric mean of the two. You follow me? All right. So 1/3, the height is 10, times. Now be careful. Big B is not radius. Big B is the area of the base. You follow me?
Yeah.
All right. What's the area of the first base?
6 or 16.
Oh, come on. Don't fall for that. Area, ding dong. Area. We can't do this problem if we don't know the difference between a radius and an area. Come on. We have to find the area of this. And the area of this, not the radius, not the diameter. Come on. You can't miss that part. We're doing way harder stuff than knowing the difference between area and radius. The area of the top one is 9 pi.
It's the area,
and 16 pi. If you don't understand why it's those numbers, I cannot help you. Because we're talking, we're like, you sure? You sure?
Wait, it's pi r squared for area.
Yeah, thank you. I know that. I've learned that we learned that in 5th grade. You should know that by now, yes? So we're finding the area, which is pi r squared, which is pi times the radius squared, 3 squared, so 9 pi and 16 pi.
So it's 64 pi?
64 pi. Good catch. Thank you, Josh.
Wouldn't it be like 30?
So this would be 9 pi times 64 pi, right? Right?
Yeah.
Follow me? Okay. Now, they said to use 3 for pi.
Yeah.
So that's going to be 27 plus, what's 64 times 3?
192.
192 plus 9 times 3 times 64 times 3. If I'm smart about this, I got a 9, so I take it out. That's a 3. I got 2 3s, so I take it out. I got a 64, so I take out an 8, right? So there we go. It's 27 plus 192 plus, what is that, 48, I guess? Is that 48?
72?
No, that's 72.
No, that's not 72.
You added the 3s instead of multiplying them.
3 times.
Oh, good catch. Thank you. Good catch. 72. All right, add those together.
So that's 264, 291.
All right, so we get 1/3 times 10 times 291. I'm going to guess that this is a multiple of 3. It is, right? So that's what, 97, I believe? 291 divided by 3 is
Yeah.
97?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 97 times 10, so we get
970.
970. Yay. Okay. But
All
it's
right.
all based on, the whole problem is based on, if you don't know the formula, if you don't know that formula, you're missing it every single time. And that's what I told you guys. If you go back to that first day and I talked about there are things that you can just memorize, and once you memorize them, you'll always get it right. Yeah. So that's an example of that. Does that